Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you'd like to remove, for example, all of them, and if this list is so wide in your case, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything and remove everything. We can change the time range also from last hour to 24 hours or 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. So let me pick, for example, last 4 weeks, and just tap on clear data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything we marked. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your Xiaomi 11 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.